Hello and welcome back to Profit Path. Today, I'm sharing 3 powerful AI tools you must use in 2025 to make money online. These tools are simple, affordable, and can boost your income fast. Tool number 1. ChatGPT. This tool can write blog posts, scripts, business emails, and even chatbots. Freelancers earn hundreds of dollars doing this, but you can do it in minutes with ChatGPT. Tool number 2. Canva AI.no Design Skills. No problem, Canva AI helps you create logos, social media posts, and presentations with just a few clicks. It's perfect for content creators and freelancers. And tool number 3 is insane, Pictory AI. You can turn simple text into professional videos with voiceovers and subtitles. That means YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and ads, all created in minutes. People pay big money for this type of content, so these are 3 AI tools you need in 2025 to stay ahead. The future belongs to those who adapt, and with these tools, making money online has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Profit Path, and turn on the bell, so you never miss strategies to grow your income with AI.